Want to add your logo to your video? Here's how to easily insert it in Adobe Premiere Rush. First, open your project and go to the Media tab. Import your logo image from your computer and drag it onto a new track above your main video. Next, resize and position your logo using the transform tool. Place it in a corner or wherever it fits best. To make your logo fade in or out, use keyframes in the transform settings for smooth transitions. Let me know in the comments if you have added your logo successfully. Now your video has a personalized touch. Play around with your logo's position and size to make it look perfect. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.